Hey there, TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee, folks. We've got 250 gallons of pure American craftsmanship sitting in front of us today. Beautiful TMG 250 going on man Steve over in Arizona. Guys, this is our standard 250 right here. Base model, all right, with our patina finish. Let me tell y'all something about our patina finish. What we do, we take the beautiful patina tank that Mother Nature has weathered for us for 40 or 50 years and put 3 coats of high gloss clear coat on top of it. Really locks it in. Looks really nice, and hey, everyone's a little different. That's my favorite part. Everyone's a little different. And guys, this is our standard 250. $74.99 gets you this pit right here, and we just throw in all the features, all right? Our standard pit is like our competitor's top dog loaded out, all right? There ain't nothing standard about this thing. We just throw it all in for you. Fold down stack, that's standard. Every TMG tank smoker, all right? Let's open her up here. Top sliding tray right here, that's standard. Fire poker, hey, that's standard. I ain't even gonna charge you for it. All right, throw that in there. Now, surely I charge you extra for this top grate, right? No, that's standard. TMG Pits, Tell Truth Thermometers, made in the USA. Finest money can buy, standard. All right, fully insulated firebox. You guessed it, that standard. Insulated door, front of it's insulated, holds heat extremely well. 3/8 thick, 24-inch pipe on the inside. That's standard, all right? Standard, standard, standard. We throw it all in for you. You got our really cool fabricated skid setup down here. I mean, we go all out, guys. We got some badass welders in there, and they like to show off. All right, so they got slick welds on everything. Looks great, cooks great, guys. It don't hurt to look good while you're cooking. All right, that's the truth. So, hey, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.